This is Hira with Fluid Group Marketing. It was a pleasure speaking with you last week. I have this short video that I made for you just to give you some tips on how to increase your traffic utilizing your website and your Google business profile. A few things that I wanted to showcase was just on your website. You did a great job. You do have a very clear call to action. I do like that you have a lot of words, a lot of keywords potentially to have Google's crawler scanning for them. It does, however, seem though, even though you have all of these words, keywords, images on them, that you're not ranking as well as you should be. You can see over here, this is an analytical tool called Ahrefs, just to show how it is that your website is actually performing. So a few things, your UR and DR ratings are your strength and power numbers. You want to make sure that those numbers are closer to 30 to 40. Right now, they're significantly lower than that, and you want to also consider, because you are servicing so many areas, you do definitely want these numbers to be much higher. You want to also consider who your competitors are and at least outrank them. A few ways to increase these numbers. Number one is to get your backlink count higher, and also to make sure that those backlinks are good quality ones. Those would increase these numbers. So those backlinks are endorsements to your website. You want to make sure that the backlinks are coming from good referring domains. Those referring domains, those websites, they should be high quality. They shouldn't be spammy. So right now, the 23 that you do have, they aren't as high quality as they can be, and they're also not as relevant as they should be. So the relevance would be to foundation repair, excavation, whatever services it is that you offer. The referring domains should be relevant to that. That would help these numbers. And also that would help really increase your traffic and whatever keywords you do are indexing for. So we are going to take a look at your keywords. So foundation repair company, you are getting out of the 1.0K potential volume, you're getting 12. But you're also, a lot of these keywords are not specific to the areas that you actually offer. So foundation repair company, you want to make sure that those keywords actually have some of the service areas that you have also attached to these, just because then you're going to be not targeting the right audience, and you can see that the ratio, the proportion of traffic that you're getting from that volume is very low comparatively. You also want to make sure you're ranking at a higher page number for each of these keywords. So I'm going to show you what it looks like to have high buyer intent keywords for one of the service areas that you do offer. So foundation repair, Massachusetts, you can see over here that you have the Google ads on the top. You have the Google business profile over here, which is another really great way to get traffic in. I know that you may often have done SEO work to increase your visibility, your traffic, but you get 30 to 40% of traffic coming in through this Google business profile. I'm going to show you in a bit how to actually increase your standing over here. You want to be in this Google Map Pack, the top 3 of the Google business profile listings. Another thing that you want to do is that you want to be in this area as well, this organic section, and if you increase your UR and DR ratings, if you take some of those tips, you should be in this area as well. So I'm going to show you how to improve your standing over here. I did see your Google business profile. It seems like you've done a little bit of work on it, but you do want to make sure that you increase your citations number, or make sure that you have your name number and your website address in as many directories online as possible. So that includes Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, etc., etc. And then you also want to make sure that you have reviews, you have 5-star reviews, you're responding to them. You want to make sure that you have this section over here filled out. This is your description area. You have a 750 word allowance. You want to make sure you fill out all of it. You want to make sure that you have the keywords that you want. You want to make sure that you are including, updating photos on here. So right now I saw that you have very few photos. You should be updating those photos monthly. They should be geotagged. They should have keywords. All of these things are going to get you ranked in the top 3 to be in that Google Map Pack and get that volume from there. And then finally, I want to show you one of your competitors who is covering the New England area. So generally, a lot of the areas that you're covering as well, and how good is that they are performing. You can see that they have a lot of keywords, they have a lot of content written out, and they're performing could be better, but they have a slightly healthier numbers. They have referring domains that are decent quality. Uh, Again, they could increase that quality, they could increase that number. They are indexing, they have a pretty good efficiency rate of keywords to traffic, so you can get an idea of what keywords they do actually have. So foundation repair in Massachusetts, then you can see that these keywords actually have the areas that they're actually servicing as well. So out of the 100 hits per month, they are getting 44 hits per month of their own traffic from that volume. They're positioned at number 2. You can see that for quite a few of these, they're positioned at the tops of these pages. So these are some good ideas of some of the keywords that they're actually utilizing and some that you could as well. Hopefully that helps in getting you some tips on how to improve your traffic. And of course, if you have any questions, do let us know. We would definitely love to hear your feedback.